This is the Airfish 8, and it's a plane that's designed to fly right above the water. The purpose of this plane is to make transportation on water both faster and safer. The Airfish 8 is so safe that it can land without the pilot's help. There's an augmented reality program that allows professionals to see where pipes and cables lie underground. This is Portugal, home to some of the biggest waves in the world. This camera crew documents the dangerous job of rescuing surfers that fall off their boards.
Hey, Ghost! Ghost! Ahí, compes.
These are tumbleweeds, and they are extremely efficient at moving in the wind. Sometimes they cluster together, and they have the ability to take over entire towns. A few days ago, a city in California was completely taken over by a tumbleweed migration. This is the largest no-kill dog shelter in the world, located in Costa Rica. There's over 600 dogs here that visitors and volunteers can play with. This is Malibu, California, where the weather is always perfect. Sometimes turtle shells break when they're laid, but if they're lucky and placed in perfect conditions, the turtle can still grow and survive.
Hi everybody! Hi everyone! How was nap time?
This bread hates mustard because whenever you put mustard on it, it falls right off. So what's going on here is that this piece of bread was sprayed with a hydrophobic coating. This coating can be applied to pretty much anything and you'll see similar results. The United States Navy currently owns the most powerful railgun in the world. This gun has the ability to launch a projectile over 200 miles in the air by using magnetism and electricity. This elephant herd wandered into farmland and started eating the crops, so local farmers shot arrows at the elephants and many were wounded. This baby elephant stayed by his friend's side while volunteers helped to remove the arrows. This is flame weed control, where farmers use tanks of propane to burn unwanted pests or weeds. I know that this looks like a painting, but it's not. This is what the true beauty of Iceland looks like. In case you didn't know, this is how solar panels are cleaned. These guys removed the back wheels from this car and replaced them with wheels from a cart. This is the Kelly Slater Surf Ranch, which is located right in the middle of California farmland. This giant device that looks like a train pushes water to create the perfect wave every single time. This is called a 3D zoetrope, which makes still figures come to life by spinning them really fast. This company made a spoon that's specifically designed to make it easier for people with disabilities to eat. Here's time-lapse footage of Thanos being created using a 3D printer. This is a washing machine that's designed for people that don't have electricity. That's the end of this video. Hopefully you enjoyed, and I'll see you guys again very, very soon. Later.